Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Revive 12-Day Christmas Countdown Advent Calendar for their essential oils. I just received this box. This is a warning, this is a spoiler video, so if you don't want to know the scents that are in here, don't watch this. Otherwise, if you do think maybe it's something you want to buy, keep watching so you can see, because they do not list the scents that are included on their website. They just say that it's a surprise. These are essential oils by Revive. Love this company, made in the USA. Can't say enough great things about it. And these are their Christmas scents. And so I wanted to just get a sampler, which each oil comes in 1/4 of a dram, which is about 18 to 25 drops. And if you put 3 to 5 drops in a diffuser, that's about 5 times you could use each little sample, which is more than enough to decide if you like the scent. And then you can go on their website and buy the bigger bottle of whatever scents that you love. Personally, I switched over to essential oils from burning candles because I made the decision that candles seem to have a lot of toxic ingredients that they were throwing into the air, and essential oils seem to be a healthier option. And these absolutely throw the scent like a candle. They smell really, really good. I have some of their fall scents, and my kids love it when I burn like the pumpkin pie and such. But anyway, I'm just gonna unbox their 12-day Christmas countdown. These are supposed to be 12 of their Christmas scents. So let's, let me zoom this in. Okay, let's go and try to open this first one. Oh. Oh, these are harder to get out than I thought. Oh, here we go. This first one is, can you see? Christmas Morning. Christmas Morning is supposed to be a mood enhancer. It's supposed to freshen and purify the home. It's got nutmeg, orange, clove, some vanilla, cinnamon. You can look on their website of all the things that are in it. And here's the little size. It's just a little perfect sample. But if you use this and you really, really like it, then you can go on their website and buy the bigger bottle. So Christmas Morning was the first scent that I received. The second scent is, let's see. Oh my gosh, cute. It says Olaf. Olaf is one of their scents that I know is kid-friendly. You can actually put it on your kid's skin. It's supposed to spark joy. It smells like spearmint, vanilla, lemon. Their website says all of the ingredients that they use in each oil, so you can look on there. I just wanted to unbox and share what is in this. The box is not... Okay, number 3. This one is Merry and Bright. Merry and Bright is supposed to be calming. It's supposed to promote positivity, holiday cheer, and they use bergamot and cedarwood and grapefruit in this to scent it. So if those are things that sound like you would like the smell of it, maybe that Merry and Bright is for you. Number 4. Now, technically, you could wait and do this like a true advent calendar, countdown to Christmas, but I want to use these during the Christmas season, which is why I'm unboxing it now. This one is Cinnamon Roll. Cinnamon Roll obviously smells like cinnamon rolls without the baking. The scents that they use in this one are cinnamon, vanilla, cardamom, nutmeg, and some other things. Again, all of these are on their website. Here is number 5. Ooh, this one is called, can you see? It's hard for the Winter Cocoa. Winter Cocoa is supposed to be calming, provides a warm ambiance, a mood enhancer. It's made with vanilla, cocoa extract, jasmine, nutmeg. I have their vanilla, a larger bottle of their vanilla, and it smells so good. It literally throws the scent just as far as a candle would. So I definitely recommend this brand of essential oils. It's number 6. This box is just getting torn apart. My apologies, but I'm not going to keep the box. Okay, number 6 is Frankincense and Myrrh. Frankincense and myrrh is supposed to support minor aches. It can clear your airways if you're feeling stuffy. It's made with myrrh, various different cedar woods, and vanilla. Again, all of these are listed on their website, like the individual scents are listed on their website. They do not list what's in this advent calendar, which is why I'm unboxing it today. Here is number 7. This one is called Snow Day. Snow Day is supposed to be grounding, calming, supposed to ease tension. It's got balsam fir, mint, vanilla, so kind of a woodsy smell. Might be nice if you have a cold winter day. Let's see number 8. Ooh, I love these. Vanilla Sweetie. Vanilla Sweetie is supposed to be comforting. It reduces anxiety, and the flavors in it are orange, vanilla, Lang Lang, and magnolia. This is probably going to smell really good. I think I told you I have their vanilla scent, and it throws really far. Number 9 is called Holiday Heaven. Holiday Heaven is supposed to be a mood enhancer. It's supposed to purify your home, and it's made with orange, cinnamon, and spruce. So very Christmassy smelling for sure. And like I said, there's just enough in each of these to maybe use between 3 to 5 times in your diffuser, which is just enough for you to say, do I like this scent? Would I buy this? And if so, then you can go on their website and buy the bigger bottle of it. So that's why I love that this calendar just gives you a little taste of everything. This one is called Christmas Tree, obviously. It's going to smell like a tree. And the scents that are in here are Siberian fir, grapefruit, and frankincense. So it's really going to smell like a pine tree. Number 11 is, this one is called, I'm trying to get it to focus, Candy Cane Lane. Candy Cane Lane is supposed to be uplifting, stimulating. Any kind of peppermint, mint, spearmint is very uplifting and stimulating in general. And Candy Cane Lane is made with peppermint, spearmint, and cinnamon. So it will smell minty and delicious. And the last one in this Christmas countdown, this one is great. This last one I already have in a bigger bottle, but I will take it. It's so good. This one is pumpkin pie. It's not focusing that I can tell on. Darn. Oh yeah, there we go. Pumpkin pie. And pumpkin pie, I already have this in a bigger size. This neutralizes the air, purifies the air. This throws a huge scent. I will put 5 drops in my diffuser, and my kids from upstairs can smell it. And they say, Mom, it smells so good. It smells like pumpkin pie. And what they have in here is clove bud, cardamom, cassia, nutmeg, and vanilla. So here is the Revive essential oil advent calendar for this year. If you wanted to pick it up on their website, I'll put the link down below. This isn't sponsored or anything by them. It's just a company that I stand by that I really like. I buy all my essential oils from them, and I absolutely love them. They throw the scent. They have tons of options of really cool scents, things like winter cocoa and vanilla and such. So highly, highly recommend them. Anyway, thought I would just share. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please give it a like and thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays.